this was my test drive. Sounds really good. Okay, good morning from Toronto. It's a beautiful day. Nice sunshine. Whoa, awesome day. Today we have a couple things to do. It's one of our service days, so I'm gonna get on with that program. So what we're gonna do today, we have a couple trucks that we need to wash. Since the sun is out, it's beautiful. I can safely say that the snow is gone, so the trucks are gonna be much cleaner now, so we need to do that. And the other reason we need to do that is because the salt, which is the salt that they use to melt the snow on the roadways, we have to wash those out because those are going to cause massive corrosion to us. So while we're waiting on the truck guys to come with the washing equipment, we're just gonna have some fun waiting around. We have a couple oil changes to do too, so I'm waiting on that guy to show up too. So we just went and we grabbed a whole set of oil from the store there, and later in the video I'm gonna show you how much it's cost and how much it costs to do the oil change, the truck washes, and that kind of stuff. So all those oil down there, we have to get them into these trucks. Usually Sunday, it's one of the major service days, because you want to make sure that you're sending these trucks out on Monday morning. Everything is in shape. You don't want to do a road call service. It's very expensive and it's very time consuming. So stick around, we'll have some fun. Thank you. So this is one of the first guys we have to wash. We put in a new engine in this one recently. This one was in the shop that you guys saw on those videos that I showed with the engine swap. One of the things we discovered is that the coolant hose need to be tightened, so we're gonna do that today as well. See all the grease pads, the prints and everything. That's from the mechanic, so we need to get that clean. Needs to look a bit better. It's a white truck, but you can tell it's very, very dirty. And then notice that we nicked it here too, so all this need to wash out. So all these rims need to clean out. Very, very nasty truck. So this is what it looks like. Wow. So the door is literally black. So hopefully we get that cleaned up. So I'm just waiting, as I said, on the guys to show up, and then we're gonna start doing that. So we are somewhere in Mississauga. So this is what happens when the truck is very nasty. The guys kind of put notices on it. You're gonna star on YouTube today? Yeah. What's your name?
Greg.
Rick.
Greg.
Greg. Okay, Greg. So this is Greg. So we got Greg here, and this truck is in a pretty bad shape. Needs a good washing, and this is what he specializes in. So if you guys need washes, just
that's not my company.
Oh, if you need washes, just contact me, inbox me, and I'll hook you up with some good detail stuff. All right. So we're gonna be rolling while Greg is doing his thing here. We hope to have these trucks nice and clean. Usually the customer complains that the trucks are nasty, and when they're in this condition, it's an MTO magnet. So DOT will pull you over because they figure you're not doing enough maintenance on it. So it cannot be looking like that. But this is because we had a serious winter storm. It was cold. When it's minus 15, minus 20, we can't really do this kind of cleaning. So this is good timing now. So we have the time. We're gonna get her clean. All right. So hang with me there.